Hello, welcome to R&RmomPLANS. My name is Angelique and this is my channel on my planner style. In today's video, it's a plan with me in my content section, social media, for the week of October 18th through the 24th. I use a dashboard layout for this, and I have ordered a printable off of Etsy, which is this page, which has already been taped onto my left side. The sticker book I plan on using today is going to be the Seasons sticker book that was just released, and I've already got somewhat of an idea of how I want this to look. So I will be using this right here, this page right here. I found this washi that I have from DEK Designs subscription box for October. So I'm going to use that because I think that it would be really cute. It has stars on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring in these two. I have them set aside just in case, so they'll still be set aside. Alright, so first I want to get the washi out on see what this is going to look like. I don't know if I'm going to use it any more than that. Once I get a sticker on this page, it lives on this page. I'm not even playing with it today. I still think I'm going to bring in maybe some more boxes because I'm really big on the whole having boxes on here to write my items in, tasks and things. I really like doing that. So I think that I'll probably eventually figure out which one of these books I'm going to add. I think it's going to be fine. I think this is the only one. It's the only box that actually doesn't have writing in it other than the ones straight down the center. Creep it real. That's what it says. Alright, so like I said, I may need to bring in some boxes. So I have this book that I was flipping through, and it has this purple from Kellofaplans, and then so it's not going to be that. Let's see. Nope. Not the yellow. So what if instead of boxes I use the dots? And then let me go to black. I know they have black in here. Guess what I thought? I thought, maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. I may have to use purple. Excuse my flip through secrecy. That's the peach. That's it. So, do I want to use this purple? I still need to use a box. I can't help myself. Can't. So plain right here. And then like right there. And I'm gonna have to find black circles somewhere. You know what? I have black circles. I have a lot of these. This is from Cloth and Paper. I'll have to remember to label that. Right, so I have pretty much everything there. I don't know if I should put a lavender box. I call it lavender, sorry. I think it's better. Alright, so I'm done with this book. I'm done with this book. And to be honest, the black dots are literally just going to be used on this page over my numbers. I have the numbers there just to keep it as the top 5 priorities, but not to keep the number visible. I will be covering it up with the cloth and paper dots that I have. I don't know if I need to bring it in. I don't know if I need to bring the dots in over here, or if that's going to be good. Again, I don't think I need to bring this in anywhere. So, didn't use that. I didn't use that. I feel like it needs something, but I'm not really sure what it could possibly use. Other than the fact that maybe it'd be a little bit more decorative. Let's see. I know this has like 3 sheets for Halloween. See, I could have used these, but I didn't. I could have used that one right there. I already have that decoration. I like these ghosts. And this has an orange background. Would it be cute? I don't know. I feel like it will. Girl. I'm just gonna put it down. I just have to deal with the black dots behind him. He is a ghost. He's supposed to be see-through, obviously. I feel like that adds just a little bit more fun to the page. I just feel like something's needed up here. Maybe I could just throw in some of these stars with the purple on them. I think these two should go together because, where does it? It's right there. It'd be cool if this was an orange star with a purple background. Nope, I don't like the way that looked. Nope. I think that's just enough decor. There's a black moon. I don't know. Let's see if what this looks like. I think that's kind of okay. I think that's it. I think that's it. Because I don't want to bring in any more of the cat. Okay. Pretty content with it. Alright, so let's see. What did I use? I used the washi from DEK Designs. That is in my subscription box. And that is actually for my memory journal, but I don't really post that because that is like a diary. And then I have my Kellofaplan. The rainbow box is floral. I used the orange and this purple lavender box right here. Seasons sticker book from the Happy Planner, and it was the Halloween theme with the cloth and paper avant-garde, whatever, cloth and paper dots. This is for my social media. I call it the content section of my planner system for the week of October 18th through the 24th. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planning style. And if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, subscribe. For notifications, just ring that bell. I always welcome and love your comments. Until next time.